Hi there, Jimmy here from the Onside team, bringing you another help video. So in this video, we're going to cover off making improvements to your boundary map. So jumping into the web portal and going to your property, under the mapping tab, there's a few things you can do here. So I've got this block here that I've put in, and so I can see the information that I've put about it. I can also tap it again and then change this, choose another color if I really want to, or change the information I've made available for it. So regardless of if you're using the shapes or the lines side of things, you'll be able to give it a name, a reference, advise the size, but we will also tell you the size of it, as well as any notes that you want to make available. So when someone's checking in, they're going to tap onto this and it's going to bring up this information for them. So if you're dealing with orchards, for example, you could say the reference could be your K pin or your P pin and any information you want to tell them about that particular orchard or that particular block in the orchard. Viticulture, you could be putting in row numbers or anything like that. Otherwise, you could also go make it red and make it a no-go area. Do not enter. Say, for example, if it's someone's house and it's on the property. So something like that. So to do this, we just go shape, and I'm going to draw out just a random shape here, coming back to the first point to finish it. And that's when I can jump in, choose the color, put in the information. But let's have a look at the line one instead. The line one works slightly different. So I'm going to go line, and just as an example, I'm going to draw around the outer edge of this side of the boundary. So once you're happy with your line, you tap on the last point, and then you can start adding your information to it. So a few things that are different here. The type will be different. So you'll be able to do things like fences or water or underground utilities or tracks. So anything that kind of follows a path. And then I can change up the color as well. And I'm going to go blue. Say there's a water line running along there. So I'm going to go water pipe. And I'm going to put water. And so that's telling me it's 345 meters. And I can put notes. So I'm going to hit save. There we are. I've got the running along the side there. So if I jump back to this one again and have a look at the information in here. So I'll get rid of paddock. So you'll see it's quite different. So vines, orchards, crops, paddock, and then also things like buildings and roadways and parking lots, that sort of thing. Cool. So if we're happy with that, let's jump over to the app and see what that looks like. All right, so I'm over in the app and I'm going to do a quick search for Jimmy Inc., which is where I just made those changes. Jumping into there. And I'm going to jump into the filter so we can get rid of some of the risks and see my areas a bit better and my tasks. Cool. So I've got my no-go area. Do not enter. And if I tap on the side there, I've also got my water pipe. So at any time, if I am using quite a few of these shapes or these lines, I can also toggle those off if I need as well. It's easy as that. So that is adding key locations and key points of interest to your map. Thanks.